All right, here we are with the bad light, burned up, blew out, shorted out, and took out this remaining 100-foot section of lighting. All I did was just basically amputate the light. So instead of having 10 lights in that 100-foot run, we're now down to 9. Okay, so it still works. Let's plug her in here. There we go. Everybody's happy. And 9 lights, we're pulling 1.51 amps. All right. Power factor is low on these lights, 0.65. The best you can get is 1.00. So it's not like we're going to be running these lights day and night, running up the bill. 121 watts. So you've got 9 lights pulling 121 watts, 1.51 amps. All right, I'll get to that, why that matters. So I sent a bunch of pictures. I don't think I was able to send a video to the seller. Look at this amputated light. Sad looking. So I sent a bunch of pictures to the seller. These lights had been in place for 2 years. And naturally the warranty is going to be out. This is through Amazon. So I contacted the seller through the Amazon messaging app. Sent a bunch of pictures, voltmeter readings. Hey, this is bad. And they've had a couple of other customers with the same issue, but pictures definitely helps when you contact a seller through the messaging app. Don't go through Amazon, go through the messaging app. Contact them, build them up, tell them they've got a great product. So what the seller did was they sent a replacement. There's your seller right there. So they sent a new set, 100-foot run, 10 lights. And these are the new model. They had some issues with these right here, so they revised the board. I'm not taking one of those back. But now you're 1.51 amps on 9 lights. Oh, hold on. Get rid of that. And we will, I don't know why they give you a grounded plug on this. It's not like you're going to plug anything into it. So this one is pulling 1.65 amps. New set, revised board on the lights, 1.65 amps. And the power factor is still low, 0.66. 134 watts. All right, so they claim right there about 100 and, what do they claim? 130? 135? What do they claim on here? They claim 130 watt right there, 130 watt. And this is pulling 134 according to the kilowatt meter. So this is a backup set. The original 10 minus 1 is going back in place, and I will show you what I did to prevent all of these lights from going out should or when another one of these goes out. So it makes no sense why one of these would just short out. It just shorted out. You can refer to the other video where the board, we've got the video of that board, and it's blown up, burned up, and they're just hanging under the house. Doesn't matter where they're, it's not like I've been dragging them through the yard or whatever. So there's that. So let me take you over to where the existing lights are. All right, welcome to an 80-year-old house underneath. This is decades of just whatever, not mine. It's just been under here. So this is what you're going to see as you crawl under the house, and you're going to either have a work light, flashlight, a light on your head. So what I did was I mounted 3 sockets with 3 amp fuses right there. They're fast blow. That goes back to the 1.5 amps, 1.51 amps that the lights are pulling. So each one of these outlets is fused. I have a main switch right here. So if you don't want to go under your house like this, this is what you'll do. There we go. So now I can see that my outlets are on. I added 3 indicator lights right there. And a 3 amp fast blow, should one of those go, I'm going to have to run a 50-foot cord from this empty outlet all the way back up in there, and I will have the 100-foot run on that 50-foot cord because I'm not plugging into that. But that's what you're looking at. Look at this, 80 years, 80 years. We'll cut that light. So, big difference, big difference. I'm not the only one dealing with these old houses, but there's that. There's that. There you go. Have fun.